The Residential Efficiency Scorecard program is an Australian first in home energy ratings. The scorecard allows households to obtain a star rating of the energy and hot and cold weather performance of their home. The rating certificate also provides home upgrade recommendations and links to further information on options to reduce energy bills. This presentation explains in more detail the requirements assessors will need to meet to become an accredited scorecard assessor. A level of skill and experience is required to undertake any accurate and robust home assessment, regardless of the tool used. A pilot of the scorecard found that assessors with little training often made significant errors that impacted on the accuracy of the rating or the customer experience. As assessors enter private homes and undertake physical activities, the role requires a range of customer service skills and occupational health and safety training. One of the key program objectives is to gather accurate data in order to provide a high-quality customer experience, ensuring householders receive appropriate recommendations and a reliable rating. Using accredited assessors provides a strong foundation to achieve this outcome and also protects customers. All scorecard applicants must meet minimum accreditation standards and comply with administration processes. Secondly, applicants must then complete the online scorecard tool training, associated assessments and tests before completing a two-part exam. Part 1 is a written exam, Part 2 is an online oral exam. Finally, all assessors are required to sign an assessor agreement. This outlines the requirements for using the scorecard, including a code of conduct and insurance. At each stage, applicants are measured against the scorecard principles. The 6 principles are: ability to identify energy efficiency features in the field and enter this data accurately, customer relations and engagement to convey trust and credibility, safety and well-being of all parties involved, ability to present appropriate upgrade options, compliance with administration processes, and a commitment to continuous improvement. Scorecard accreditation will allow an assessor access to the tool and the ability to deliver assessments independently. The scorecard team supports assessors through this process. There are several ways you can enter the Scorecard Assessor accreditation process. There are options for everyone, whether you are new to the industry, have recognised qualifications, or are an experienced home energy assessor. If you have one of the following qualifications and can demonstrate your commitment to the 6 quality principles through your application documents, you'll be granted entry into the accreditation process. If you are an experienced assessor without these qualifications, you may be granted entry based on a rigorous assessment of your professional knowledge. If you are new to the industry, you will need to do further study. For details about all pathways to accreditation, please refer to our website. Prior to becoming accredited, assessors must provide evidence of the required occupational health and safety qualification completed within the past 5 years and valid insurance covering public liability and professional indemnity. The specific requirements are listed on our website. Finally, assessors must sign the assessor agreement and code of conduct. This defines the rules, responsibilities, and proper practices for an assessor, including how they may market themselves. The assessor agreement also sets out the penalties for assessors should they breach these rules. To ensure the quality, consistency and reliability in the scorecard program, a set of policies and procedures have been established. Assessor performance will be evaluated via routine quality assurance checks and random audits, as well as through feedback in customer surveys. Audit outcomes will be directed to the improvement of assessors' skills and knowledge. Recurrent issues identified in audits will be incorporated into the scorecard training and other program support for assessors. Where necessary, corrective actions will be implemented. If If you have any queries regarding Assessor Accreditation or would like to start your application, please go to homescorecard.gov.au.